Hey guys, it's Lord Civic, and as I stated in my vlog video yesterday, I will be unboxing multiple audio speakers because I am hopping into the world of audiophiles. And today I got the Klipsch Reference Premier 504c. I also got the RP-504c and bookshelf speakers that I'll be using as my rears, and I have a receiver, 4 standing speakers, up-firing speakers, all coming later this week. So if you are interested and like this video, make sure to like and subscribe because I'll be doing unboxings, and then afterwards I will also be doing demos. My reason for getting a new sound system is mostly because I said I wanted to start doing movie reviews, and having the LG C9, I can do a really good job on the video front, but currently right now I have a Sonos sound system with a play bar, subwoofer, and 2 play ones, and that just doesn't cut it for being able to review audio at the best, mostly because it doesn't support Dolby Atmos. But with saying that, again, we're gonna be doing unboxings all week long, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. With saying that, let's hop right in. Happy May the 4th to everyone. So I had initially planned on doing live audio during this section of the video, but I ended up having to do a voiceover because this was way more physically demanding than I thought it would be just to unbox this. So you might see my mouth moving during some parts, but that's why you don't hear anything coming out because I'm doing a voiceover. So first, what was my reasoning for getting the 504c? I had wanted to get, I guess, the best of the best speakers, or if not the best of the best, close to the best of the best. I know there is definitely a series higher than the 504c or the Reference Premier series in its entirety, but I wasn't looking at spending $1,000 per product. And I wanted to be able to get as many of the speakers as I could at the time. So in the future, I will probably be upgrading and getting, like, I guess, the higher end speakers, but it probably won't be for a couple of years. So honestly, when it came down to this, my central channel speakers anyway, it was between this and the 600C, and also the 404c was in the running. But my biggest reason for getting the 504c was because the 504c comes with 2 more woofers than the 600c and more drivers. Right here I'm just showing the manual, mostly because I am later this week getting the RP-504cs, which I'm very excited to get. But the 504c was on my radar because of the additional woofers and the drivers. And I know people are probably gonna get on me in the comments right now. I will be getting a subwoofer. I do not have one coming anytime soon. I wanted to get all the other products, and I did the same thing when I got my Sonos set up. I got the play bar, and then I got 2 Sonos ones, and then the last thing I got was the sub. And during it, everybody was like, oh my gosh, you need to get a sub, you need to get a sub, you need to get a sub, it will change your life. And not later this week, sometime in the next couple of months, I will be getting what I have my eyes on. It's either the RF or the RP-115 SI or SW, I think is the name of it. Yeah, you can see right here. I am just absolutely struggling to get this thing out. But yeah, I'll be getting a sub sometime in the future, but for now, the central channel, the 4 standing speakers, the up-firing speakers, and the bookshelf speakers will have to cut it. So yeah, that's the one I plan on getting. As I said, when it comes to speakers and audio alone, I am just a Padawan learner. So if you guys have any specific subwoofer models that you guys recommend, I'd like to go all Klipsch, but if there is some better sounding sub, please feel free to put in the comments below. As I said, I'm not going to get it for like a month at minimum. So any advice you guys have, not even just on subs, but just audio systems in general, please shoot some comments down below. I will try to respond to them, and any help or advice would be amazing. So I am actually going to place my central speaker right underneath my TV. I know a lot of people are like, don't do it, like you shouldn't. I don't think it actually deters anything with the sound, but then there's also the countless people on forums that have said they have contacted Klipsch directly, and they said it's okay to put your TV on it as long as your TV is not heavier than, I think, about 70 or 80 pounds. I have an LG C9 OLED 65-inch, and I don't believe it's anywhere heavier than that. I'll do a double checking before that. But yeah, that's how I'm gonna set it. And also I need to get kind of a stand for my receiver as well, because think that's heavy, or even just as heavy. It may even be heavier, but yeah, that's what I'm planning on putting right now. I might get a stand for my central channel in the future, but for now I am just going to put it directly under TV and set the TV right on top of it. So there you have it, the unboxing of the reference Premiere 504c. As you can see during the unboxing portion of the video, I was actually struggling. I meant to do like a live talking during that part of the video, but I had to end up putting a voiceover because I was literally like, not gasping for air, but I was like struggling when I was lifting it up and trying to talk at the same time. It was just like a mess, to be honest. So I just ended up doing a voiceover. Honestly, this product's not only heavy, but it's also very securely, very securely packaged. And that's because Klipsch, I guess they want to, they want to keep their products safe and secured while they're shipping, not only because they're expensive, but also even the smallest movement of it can damage like the wood or whatever on the product. So I have to applaud them for that. But definitely when I get my floor stand speakers, I'm having a person here with me, because that thing will literally crush me if I try to do that by myself. But I'm so glad I got honestly, it was between this, the piano black, and the walnut, and they didn't have all the piano blacks that I wanted personally in stock on Amazon when I was shopping. So I ended up going with the ebony. I was kind of unsure, but like seeing this thing in person, like, is absolutely insane how gorgeous it is. And I'm so glad I got all of my products ebony colored. Like, this is beautiful. But I'm so happy to finally like dive headfirst into the world of audio, like the high-end audio, and this is definitely a place to start. I also got my bookshelf speakers, as I stated earlier in the video, but I sadly won't be able to use either of these products until tomorrow when my receiver comes. Be coming sometime tomorrow afternoon, I believe. But yeah, this is really fun, and I'm so excited to get the rest of my products. And finally, also I will be, as I said earlier in the video, I will be demoing all the products, not only with movies, but music and different stuff like that, once I get all the products in-house and got it all set up. But with saying that, make sure to subscribe if you're interested in seeing the rest of the unboxings and also the various demos and stuff that I'll be doing in the near future. Again, thank you guys for watching, and may the force be with you.